Japan, a land where tradition meets innovation, often challenges our very perception of reality. What if the copy becomes more authentic than the original? In Kyushu, Who is Ten Bosch stands as a perfect replica of a Dutch town, licensed and meticulously rebuilt. Ironically, its pristine canals and gabled houses now often feel more Dutch than the evolving originals in the Netherlands. Step into Kappabashi, Tokyo's kitchen town, and you'll find an art form dedicated to edible illusion, plastic food samples, so lifelike they often adorn restaurant windows, tempting passersby. Some artisans dedicate a decade to perfecting a single fake shrimp tempura, a testament to their craft. Did you know some of these replicas can cost more than the actual dish they represent? In Japan, the pursuit of perfection often means mastering replication, not just creation. A student might practice a master's calligraphy stroke 10,000 times until it's indistinguishable. This contrasts sharply with the world of knockoffs, where imitation often lacks the original spirit. Yet the irony deepens when these copies themselves become subjects of further imitation. Kyoto's iconic Kiyomizu-dera Temple, with its magnificent wooden pillars, seems timeless. But these ancient structures undergo constant maintenance, with pillars replaced due to cleaning and wear. The original 780-year-old temple exists only in photographs, a ghost of its former self. Which version is truly real? A question tourists rarely ponder, lost in the beauty of the present. From ancient temples to digital realms, Japan's replication extends to the human voice itself. Hatsune Miku, a completely artificial pop star, commands stadium crowds, evoking real tears. Voice actors now license their unique voices to AI, allowing them to perform without physical presence. The voice, once a unique human signature, can now be perfectly replicated endlessly. The art of Japanese plastic food samples, born from local necessity, has gone global. Demanded by restaurants worldwide, these replicas have transformed into luxury commodities. These perfect copies are now replacing the very originals they once merely imitated, a global phenomenon. As we navigate this landscape of copies, the line between original and imitation blurs. A mirror maze in a traditional garden, reflecting a single pine tree into infinite. Distorted copies, each reflection slightly altered, leaving us lost in a labyrinth of reproductions, the original unfindable. This is the perfectly Japanese experience, an intellectual puzzle disguised as beauty, where authenticity is a fluid concept.